Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guess what? Today I'll be sharing some secrets with you guys. I have had compliments about my skin and my hair. So today I'll be sharing with you the secret behind this. Here I have 3 simple ingredients that you have in your kitchen. Here I have some carrots, oranges, and ginger. Please keep watching so I can show you step by step on how to transform these 3 ingredients to help you have nice glowing skin like mine, or even better than mine, and to maintain a healthy hair. Please keep watching. Right here I'm just peeling the ginger. Some people like to use knife, but I prefer using spoon. It's more safer. And at the same time, you won't be wasting your ginger. Look. The spoon does a great work, as same as the knife or whatever you use to peel. Ginger is going in. Right, wow, look at that. Here is our carrots and ginger. Now it's time for the orange. Right here, I will ensure that I wash my orange first before squeezing. Right here, I will ensure my orange is properly washed. Yeah, let's give it a proper wash. But you can also use the juicer to juice the orange, but I prefer to just it manually. So you cut the orange in half and then you use the juicer. I'm going to squeeze more. Right, if you don't want to use this to manually squeeze the orange, you can also remove the skin and then put it into the juicer. But make sure you're peeling off all the white bits, because you don't want the orange to be bitter. Just like this, like so. That's it. And then you pop it in there. Wow. Our lovely orange juice for healthy looking skin and to maintain a healthy hair. Good for all the family. Right, this is the outcome of our juice using the juicer. So now I'll be showing you the second option. No excuse not to try this my recipe. Here I have few carrots, just about 4, and ginger. I'll be chopping them and pouring them using the blender. So if you don't have a juicer, no excuse. We've got a blender in our home. Just chop up the carrots. Right, did you know that carrots contain vitamin A, which helps to maintain healthy skin cells? It also helps to produce a natural oil, which helps to keep our skin healthy and moisturized. Right, now I'm slicing my orange. Did you know the health benefit of orange? Orange is also high in vitamin C, which helps the body to produce collagen. And we are all aware that collagen is very important in maintaining healthy looking skin and maintaining the structure of your hair. Please keep watching. And don't forget to support our channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, and also putting on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new video. So here's the oranges. Right, next now I'll be chopping the ginger. Ginger has antioxidants which can help to protect the skin cells from damage. So here I'm pouring in some ginger, and I'll also be adding a bit of water to help to blend it. So I think I'm going to look a bit thicker. I'm going to add more water. Right, so here is the result. So you have two options. You can choose to sieve this. So if you choose to sieve it, you can have it like so. Alternatively, you can also drink it like this. This is because this contains fiber, and fiber, we all know, it helps in terms of lowering your cholesterol level. And the fiber can also help aid in digestion. So let's test this one that has the fiber. This is very good as well. So if you're suffering from food indigestion, I would advise you have it with the fiber. Very nice. Or you can, if you're using the juicer. Right, this will be going into the fridge. Please try this at home. This is really affordable. The carrot costs about £3.50 and the orange £2.50. This tastes so delicious. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.